Champion weighing in at 1,375 grams from Shenzhen, China, the DJI Phantom 4 Pro V2.0. In at 907 grams from Shenzhen, China, the DJI Mavic 2 Pro. DJI Mavic 2 Pro versus DJI Phantom 4 Pro V2.0. The epic battle, round 2, wind test. That's next. I hope everyone got a chance to see round 1 of the epic battle, the DJI Mavic 2 Pro versus the DJI Phantom 4 Pro V2.0 with the OcuSync 2.0 test. Today we're going to be looking at the wind test. Now before we actually get into that, what I thought I'd do would be to put up a couple of charts here on the screen so you guys can take a look at this. Now the first one we're going to look at is the Mavic 2. Now the Mavic 2 is rated maximum wind speed resistance of 38 kilometers per hour, and I went ahead and I did the math for you. 38 kilometers per hour equals 23.6121 miles per hour. Now we're going to do the same thing for the Phantom 4 Pro V2.0, and its maximum wind speed resistance is 10 meters a second, which that translates to 22.3694 miles per hour. So you have your actual stats up there. Now what I'm going to do before we roll the clip, I'm going to kind of set these up here. Now what I did was I recorded the takeoff and the landing for each, for the Mavic 2 Pro and for the Phantom 4 Pro V2.0. And then you may remember in my little intro to the video where I'm filming the Phantom 4 Pro V2.0 and I'm filming the Mavic 2 Pro, and those are going to be used as well. So without any further ado, let's roll that clip right now. Okay, now you saw the takeoffs and landings. Now we're going to go ahead and roll the second clip where the Phantom 4 Pro V2.0 was filming the Mavic 2 and the Mavic 2 Pro was filming the Phantom 4 Pro V2.0. So let's go ahead and roll that clip. Okay, there is a clear winner here, folks, and that clear winner is the Mavic 2 Pro. It was absolutely stellar in the wind. I was very impressed with how well it did in the wind. It just seemed until the Phantom 4 Pro got up to the altitude that even now I have to digress here a little bit and tell you what the wind was on Saturday. The wind was probably right at the maximum. It was probably around 20 to 25 miles per hour on Saturday. It had started out not windy, but by the time filming had come along, it really had picked up and it was around 20 to 25 miles per hour. So we were probably right at the threshold of the maximum wind resistance for each. So you could see how the Phantom 4 Pro being filmed from the Mavic 2 was kind of bouncing back and forth in the wind. And the Mavic 2 Pro stayed pretty steady up there. I was very impressed with that. And you also have to remember, too, that the Mavic 2 was filming the Phantom 4 and vice versa in those shots. Now, you know, that also speaks to the actual stabilization that's on board each aircraft. So even though it was windy, the stabilization and the compensation with the gimbal on both the aircraft is absolutely fantastic. Question of the day. What did you think of the comparison between the Phantom 4 Pro V2.0 and the Mavic 2 Pro as far as wind resistance is concerned? Let me know in the comments section below. If you like the content from today's video, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and tell others about the channel. Also, be sure to check out my Facebook page where I do post daily updates regarding the drone and drone industry and anything DJI, Autel, or Parrot related. Also, be sure to check out my Twitter account where I do post daily updates, and Instagram as well. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.